Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reviewing the toaster, kettle and mixer by Chad Valley. First, let's open it out of the box. I'm so excited to see how it looks. First, let's detach everything. Here are all the items. First, we've got the kettle. And we have the mixer. And we've also got the toaster. Let's see how the toaster works. Wow, it looks so real. The kettle even makes a real sound. That's amazing. There are actually many different noises the kettle makes. Here we have my favorite one, the mixer. You can also take the whisk out. Or if you like, you can put it back in. Just like the kettle, the whisks makes a sound too. Here are all the products. I hope you guys liked today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!